All right, what should we do first? Should we do the seagull, the pineapple, the pineapple, the seagull, the seagull, the pineapple, the pineapple, the seagull? Seagull, 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 seag. I have a seagull, mine, 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 mine. Let's get rolling. Hey everyone, I'm Kate, and I'm the product development manager here at Plus Plus. And today, since it's finally summer, I have some really fun summer builds to show you. And all the builds you see in front of me and more are available on our free Plus Plus app, which you can find on the App Store and on the Google Play Store. We have some summer builds here today, and also some of our most popular, some of our summer vermost. I was trying to work summer in there. What I have in front of me is a cute flamingo, a fish, a hot dog, of course, pineapple, a seagull, a crab, a little shark, and a seahorse. Today, I'm gonna walk you through how to build a pineapple and a seagull, two of our most popular builds on the app and perfect for summertime. Let's get the rest of these out of here and we'll focus on these two today. However, if you'd like instructions for any of the rest of the builds you see here, you can find them on our free app. All right, we are gonna do the pineapple first, I've decided. So our little seagull is gonna fly away for a minute. Go over there, sweet guy. So the first thing we're gonna build is this really fun pineapple. And this pineapple is made using basic yellow and lime green, but you can make any type of pineapple that you want. I've seen kids use especially our tropical mix, which is really fun and you can find on our website, plusplususa.com. And it has both of these colors in it, but also a bunch of fun other tropical colors that you can use to make many different types of pineapples. You could even build a pineapple under the sea. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25-piece pineapple, folks. That'd be a good name for a band. It's pretty crazy that all these pieces are gonna become a pineapple. It's crazy that all these pieces can become so many things. I'm getting off tangent here. I could go on and on about the magic of Plus Plus for hours, for days, for centuries. One like that. And then the last two pieces go here and here. Look at that beauty. Now I kind of want some pineapple. Now we're gonna be going through another summer favorite build, which is our seagull here. And this guy I published on the app only a couple months ago, and he's already one of the most popular guides. So clearly for summer, people are making a lot of seagulls. Perhaps some would say a flock of seagulls? I'm gonna walk you through how to build our seagull here today. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started on our seagull. Mine. Take our pieces here. The colors I'm gonna be using to make our seagull friend today are basic white, basic gray, mustard yellow, papaya, and dark gray. So a really fun combination of colors. You can find all of those on our website if you search for bulk colors or if you do a make a mix, and you can make your own mix including these colors if you want to build the seagull. But we all know what I always say, the beauty of Plus Plus is you can build in any color you want. my gosh, look at that, guys. We have our seagull done, and you may be wondering, Kate, you left out a piece. Guys, come on, this is seagull droppings. So if you've ever been around seagulls, you know that they do that a lot, and they go steal things from you when you're on the beach. So one really fun build idea, have your seagull here, and you could go on our app, and you could make the hot dog, and you could have the seagull steal the hot dog. Let's do a scene here. Mine, 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 mine. Mine, 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 mine. This head fell off. Guys, this hot dog was a little bit too big for the seagull. You can create so many fun stories, so much storytelling, so much family time, so much kumbaya. Thank you, everyone, for following along as I build a pineapple and a seagull today. Go to our app, free on the App Store and Google Play Store. But if you go on our app, you can find these two builds plus so many more fun summer builds. So if you're at home or if your kids are at home this summer looking for something fun to do, send them on over to our app. So thank you guys so much. I hope you all have a great summer and don't get attacked by any seagulls. Yeah, you left prints on my heart like seagull feet in the sand. All right, I gotta stop. All right.